Good morning. Welcome to City Health Clinic. How can I assist you today?
Good morning. I have an appointment with Dr. Carter at 10 a.m.
All right, may I have your name, please?
Yes, it's Emily Johnson.
Thank you, Ms. Johnson. Let me check our schedule. Checks computer, yes. I see your appointment. Have you visited our clinic before?
No, this is my first time here.
All right, could you please fill out this medical history form? We need to know if you have any allergies, chronic conditions, or are currently taking any medications.
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Please have a seat. Dr. Carter will see you in a few minutes.
Great, thanks.
Good morning, Emily. I'm Dr. Carter. How are you feeling today?
Not too great, doctor. I've been feeling unwell for the past few days.
I see. Can you describe your symptoms?
Well, it started with a sore throat 2 days ago. Then I developed a bad headache and mild fever last night. I also feel extremely tired and have some body aches.
Have you had any coughing, shortness of breath, or chest pain?
I do have a mild cough, but no chest pain or breathing issues.
All right. Have you been in contact with anyone who was sick recently?
Not that I know of, but I work in an office, so I'm around people all day.
That makes sense. Let's do a quick checkup. Your temperature is slightly above normal, and your throat is a bit inflamed. It looks like you have a viral infection, possibly the flu.
Oh no, I was afraid of that. What should I do?
Don't worry. It's not serious, but you need rest. I'll prescribe some medication to reduce the fever and ease your throat pain. Make sure to drink plenty of warm fluids and avoid cold drinks.
That makes sense. Should I take antibiotics?
No, antibiotics are only effective for bacterial infections. Since this is viral, your body needs to fight it off naturally.
Got it. Will I need a COVID test?
Based on your symptoms, it doesn't seem necessary. But if your fever gets worse or you have difficulty breathing, you should get tested.
All right. How long will it take to recover?
Usually, mild flu symptoms improve within a week. Just make sure to rest, eat nutritious food, and stay hydrated.
I see. Is there anything I should avoid?
Yes. Avoid alcohol, caffeine, and overly spicy foods, as they can irritate your throat. Also, try not to overexert yourself.
Should I continue going to work?
I recommend staying home for at least 2 to 3 days. It will help you recover faster and prevent spreading the virus to others.
That makes sense. Can I take painkillers for the headache?
Yes, but take only the recommended dose. I'll write you a prescription for a mild pain reliever.
Thanks, doctor. Also, I tend to have allergies. Could my symptoms be related to that?
It's possible, but since you have a fever, it's more likely the flu. Allergies don't usually cause fever.
That makes sense. One last question. What should I do if my symptoms get worse?
If your fever goes above 102 degrees Fahrenheit, 39 degrees Celsius, if you have trouble breathing, or if your symptoms persist for more than 10 days, come back immediately or go to the emergency room. Here's your prescription. You can pick up the medicine at the pharmacy downstairs.
Thank you. Do I need to come back for a follow-up?
Only if your symptoms don't improve within a week. Otherwise, you should be fine.
All right. I really appreciate your help.
My pleasure, Emily. Take care and get plenty of rest.
I will. Thank you, doctor.
One common phrases in a doctor's office. Do you have an appointment? What are your symptoms? Let me check your temperature. I'll prescribe some medication. Make sure to get plenty of rest. 2. Medical vocabulary and expressions. Asterisk symptoms: headache, sore throat, fever, body aches, fatigue, cough. Asterisk medical actions: check temperature, examine throat, prescribe medicine, listen to breathing. Asterisk health advice: get rest, drink warm fluids, stay hydrated, avoid spicy food. Suggested call to action for video. Practice your English by repeating after us. Try using these phrases in real-life situations. Like, share, and subscribe for more real English conversations.